Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Selenium for testing. First, understand that Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers. It allows you to simulate user actions like clicking buttons, filling forms, and navigating pages. This makes it ideal for ensuring your web applications work as expected across different browsers and platforms. It's an easy method to enhance your testing strategy. To get started, you'll need to set up your environment. Begin by installing the appropriate WebDriver for your browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Next, add the Selenium libraries to your project using your preferred package manager. Finally, confirm that your development environment, like an IDE, is correctly configured to recognize these new tools. This foundational step is crucial. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable advice. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's write your first test script. Start by importing the required Selenium modules into your Python or Java file. Then, initialize the WebDriver to launch a browser window, for example, Chrome. You'll then use methods to locate specific elements on the page, like a button or text field, using strategies such as ID or XPath. This forms the core of your test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.